Hi, welcome to the Walton Vale Community Shop. I'm Helen, I'm one of the volunteers here, and I'd like to talk to you about slow cooking. It has many advantages, including being more economical, better nutrition and better time efficiency. Stay tuned and I'll go for a recipe with you. Today's recipe is Irish cream / Bailey's fruit cake. This has been sent to us by Leslie. Thank you, Leslie. The ingredients are 1 kilogram of mixed fruit, 2 cups of chocolate milk, half to 3/4 of a cup of Irish cream or Bailey's, and 2 cups of self-raising flour. With this being an American recipe, they use cups. This is a proper measuring cup. If you don't have one of these at home, use a teacup. To start with, you take your fruit, chocolate milk, Irish cream, and put in the bowl. You need to soak this for 24 hours, and here's one I prepared 24 hours ago. To this you add the 2 cups of self-raising flour. Fold in the flour. I think that looks all right. Mix until all the ingredients are being combined. Then double layer your slow cooker with greaseproof paper or parchment. The reason we double layer is so that we can get the cake out at the end. Transfer the ingredients into the pot. Level off the batter just to make it smooth. Then take it to the slow cooker. Put a tea towel over the top so that any extra moisture will be absorbed. Place the lid on top and cook for 7 to 8 hours on low.